Hi everyone. Today I am going to make coriander leaves pista rice. Now I am telling you what are the ingredients you need. Rice half kg. You can take basmati rice or normal rice. Coriander leaves. Tomato 2 numbers. Sliced or chopped. Then you can take bay leaves, cloves, star anise, etc. Cardamom 6 numbers. Coriander powder, garam masala, turmeric powder, ginger garlic paste, curry leaves, garlic, onion medium sized one sliced, green chilies 5 numbers, chili powder as required, anise 1 tablespoon, ghee 30 ml for roasted cashew and pista, coconut for paste, oil 100 ml, finally salt as required. Now going to make. Now take one blender, add coconut, coriander leaves, green chilies, anise, and finally add some water to grind it. Anise just take 1 tablespoon, it's enough. So make a paste. So paste is ready. Now we are going to next step. Take one cooker. So pour the oil for as required. 5 to 6 tablespoon of oil. After heat the oil, can add bay leaves, cloves, star anise, cinnamon, etc. This all flavors should be added. So after added these things, you can saute just 30 to 40 seconds. It's enough also. This is very different types of taste of rice. So don't miss this. Watch full video. Okay. This is very important for those who are making this rice. So add the garlic. 10 to 12 pieces. Add the cardamom, broken. So after added, now add the sliced onion. Just going to saute at least 4 minutes. So lightly color will be changed. Until change color, then saute it. Now add the curry leaves. Just mix it well. Now add the ginger garlic paste. If you need it freshly, you can going to make for ginger and garlic paste by one, but I already bought from outside in shop ginger garlic paste. So now you can add the sliced tomatoes. Just mix it well and allow to cook at least 4 to 5 minutes. So after that you can add the masala powder, turmeric powder, garam masala, coriander powder, chili powder. Finally add the salt as required. Okay, garam masala 2 tablespoon, coriander powder 2 tablespoon, chili powder also 2 tablespoon. Just mix it well. Will become for 100% combinations. Can add it salt as required. Okay, don't add more much of salt. After added rice, you can check the seasoning, salt is okay or not. Then after that, if you want extra salt, you can add it. Don't add now more much of salt. Okay, now add the paste. If you want add extra means just add small much of water, a small quantity of water. Okay, yeah, it's enough. Just mix it well. Already added for chili powder and already we are grind it for paste with green chilies, so spicy is maximum. Okay, now add the milk, boiled milk. Okay, don't add raw milk, you can boil it. After that you can add the milk 50 to 70 ml, it's enough. Now add the 2 tumbler of water, because I will add the rice for 1.5 tumbler. So 1.5 tumbler, how it's possible to add the water for 2 tumblers, because already added paste with water, so already there in water extra, so it's enough to add the water. Okay, now add the rice. So finally add the food color green, because this rice recipe name coriander leaves with pista rice. So if you want add the food color, you can add it, otherwise leave it, no need to add the food color. Okay, now check the seasoning. So after that close the lid, give 2 whistles. Okay, now we are going to make the fry the cashew nut and pista. Pista and cashew nut should be chopped. Okay, add the ghee and fry the cashew nut and pista. It's ready now. Now open the cooker lid. Wow, it's amazing, it's very nice to see. Yeah, it's very nice. Yeah, we want to check it now. Now coriander leaves pista rice, it's ready. So you can just mix it well with cashew nut pista. Yeah, can add the roasted cashew nut pista, just mix it well. So coriander leaves pista rice, it's ready now. Yeah, this color will be perfect. Now it's ready. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, just give likes and share this video. If anybody not subscribed means just subscribe my channel and give your support. Thanks once again. Thank you.